Each year as Independence Day approaches, one can feel the aura of national pride in wet monsoon air. The heart of every Indian citizen is brimming with unity, pride, respect towards the nation. Each year as we celebrate our country's birthday with a string of kite in one hand and with the strains of Vande Mataram playing in the background, the questions like what is independence, what is independence for the individual and what is independence for the nation often come into our mind. Independence for the nation means freedom from foreign rule, freedom from poverty, freedom from socio-economic problems, freedom from oppression and so on. Whereas independence for an individual here means having own autonomy over one's own life. In literal sense, independence means freedom, that is the absence of external control or support. According to Professor Amartya Sen's theory of development, where he has said freedom is based into two parts, that is the means and the ends, where the ends means the final results or the destination and means here indicate the economic measures. Economic measures such as GDP, national income, annual income, capital income and so on. He says that the development or the freedom of the individual should not be based upon economic measures, whereas it should be calculated on the basis of economic facilities and social opportunities. He says that there is an interdependent relationship between rationality and freedom. By rationality, we mean subjugating one's own choices, preferences, freedom over self-interest. And by freedom means having the liberty to think rationally, to choose for personal preferences and valuation. Moving on towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is self-reliant Indian campaign. Be vocal for local was the main objective of this campaign. India today stands at a point where it has to be self-reliant. Well, it is been self-reliant in some sectors, which is a good sign, and in some sectors we are still lagging behind. Well, to start with, let's say India is traditionally dependent upon OPEC and Saudi Arabia for 86% of its oil imports. Similarly, India is often dependent upon Indonesia and Malaysia for 60% of its vegetable oil needs. Also speaking about the military equipments, Russia is providing them to us, followed by Israel and France. Let's take a positive example now. India is self-reliant in terms of its vaccine, which is a good sign and a very positive sign of it. Similarly, while speaking about the science and technology, we are evolving. We are not completely dependent. Also, we are somewhere one day we will surely be self-reliant in terms of that. We are making use of our brains for creating new technology. Basically speaking, Atmanirbhar Bharat is a self-reliant campaign where government is pouring money to make its citizens, that is us, self-reliant in terms of managing our own expenses and economy. Amid this lockdown, that is the COVID, government is trying its level best to make people self-reliant in terms of its brains, in terms of its technology, in terms of its finance. One day surely we will achieve that goal. One day we will be free in terms of self-reliance one day. Thank you.